Let me tell you a quick story about customer credit, because this question comes up more often than people admit. Say you had a customer, let's call her Maya, who wanted net 30 terms on a steady stream of orders. Sales loved her. Operations loved her. Your cash flow? Not so sure. So we treated it like an audit, not a hunch. First, we checked the basics. Did she have a consistent purchasing pattern? And did the orders fit your margin targets? Credit terms don't fix bad pricing. Next, we ran a simple credit review. We pulled a credit report, verified the business registration, and asked for 3 trade references. 2 responded quickly. Pays in 28 to 32 days. The third hesitated, which told us to exercise some caution. Then we looked at your side of the risk, your average days sales outstanding, and your cash runway. If Maya paid late, could you still cover payroll and inventory? Credit isn't just about the customer, it's about your tolerance. We also set limits. Instead of saying yes to everything, we approved a modest credit line tied to 1 month of average purchases, with a clear escalation rule. Pay on time for 3 cycles, and the limit could increase. Finally, we documented it. Terms, late fees, and the right to pause shipments. Maya, she paid on day 29, every month. Not because she was nice, but because expectations were clear, exposure was capped, and we watched the numbers. So here's the rule. Extend credit when the customer's ability and willingness to pay are proven, and when your business can afford the delay.